Whether you're a crafting enthusiast or a small business owner, the right heat press machine can transform ordinary objects into personalized masterpieces. In today's video, we've considered features, quality, and value to narrow down the best choices and bring you our picks for the top 7 best heat press machines available now. Let's get started. Number 7. Minipig HTVRONT Mini Heat Press Machine. The HTVRONT Mini Heat Press Machine is a compact, budget-friendly option that can do the trick for small craft projects like vinyl pieces and iron-on patches. Despite its small size, it can be effective for handling intricate designs, especially in small or unique HTV and sublimation ink projects. We like that it heats up quickly and features 3 heat settings, which are easily adjustable with a simple slide of a button, giving you precise control for different project needs. The HTVRONT Mini Heat Press also comes with an insulated base and user manual, making it a nice add-on tool for crafting on the go. Overall, its portability and functionality make it an excellent choice for crafters who need a reliable, easy-to-use heat press for smaller projects. The pros are that it's a very budget-friendly option, and it's good for smaller, intricate pieces. The cons are that it's not a full-featured heat press machine and has limited use in comparison to other options. Number 6. Budget Pick 12-inch by 10-inch Easy Press Heat Press Machine. This heat press machine is a budget-friendly choice that can get the job done, making it worth considering for a variety of heat transfer projects. It's lightweight at only 8.6 pounds, yet its 12 by 10-inch heating plate is large enough to handle bigger items like t-shirts, jackets, sweatshirts, and canvas bags. We like that it's compatible with many types of HTV, including foil, metallic, glitter, holographic, and sublimation paper. Safety is also a key feature, with its high-performance construction and 3 layers of heat-resistant insulation. This design minimizes heat on the handle even after extended use at high temperatures. Additionally, it has an auto shutoff function to prevent overheating and potential fire hazards. The heat press heats evenly and quickly thanks to its 4 pressure-regulating springs and a specially designed heat-resistant base for smooth and effective transfer process. The controls are straightforward, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced users. While it's the perfect size for baby clothes and most t-shirts, it's recommended to use a protective surface like an ironing pad underneath for optimal results. The pros of this machine are that it is cost-effective and lightweight. The cons are that the design leaves more room for error than full-featured heat press stations. Number 5. Hatp Pick VIVOR 3-in-1 Auto Cap Heat Press Machine. If you're looking for a heated press machine for hats, this machine is a great option overall. The 3-in-1 design includes 3 heating pads with a larger than average 6.41 by 3.15 inch plate, making it adaptable for different hat styles like baseball caps, bucket hats, and berets. The high-temperature resistant aluminum plate, coated with Teflon, reduces adhesion and maintenance needs. One standout feature is the automatic closing and pressure adjustment with a simple button click, complemented by an auto lift function and alert sound at the end of the heating cycle, ensuring ease of use and safety. Suitable for materials such as cotton, linen, polyester, and canvas, it provides consistent heat transfer for various projects. The intuitive control knob allows for straightforward temperature and time adjustments, and the real-time display keeps track of the process. Additionally, the machine's 30-minute auto shutdown feature enhances safety and conserves energy. This hat heat press combines functionality and convenience, making it an ideal choice for both personal and professional use in hat customization. The pros are that it works quickly and effectively, it has good heat distribution, and its compact size. The cons are that it is limited to hats only. Number 4. Slendor 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine. The Slendor 5-in-1 heat press machine offers good versatility and value, suitable for a wide range of projects using various materials. It's built with Teflon-coated heating plates for consistent printing that helps to prevent material damage, while a guide facilitates easy switching between different press pads. We appreciate features like the 360-degree rotation and swing-away design, and this machine prioritizes safety by allowing the heating element to be moved aside. It operates with a temperature range of 0 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit and a time range up to 999 seconds. The digital controls are easy to use with temperature and time settings and an alarm for completed cycles. The machine's adjustable pressure settings cater to varying material thicknesses, and its detachable lower platform allows for easy element changes. It comes with additional accessories and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Overall, the Slendor heat press is a straightforward, user-friendly choice for diverse heat press applications. The pros are that it's a very good value, versatile, and easy to use. One con is that the instructions could use improvement, so it's easier to look up how-to videos online. Number 3. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine. This machine stands out for its ability to simplify the heat pressing process, significantly reducing the guesswork involved in determining the right pressure for various projects. This is nice for users of all experience levels, from hobbyists to small business owners. One of the machine's best features is its quick and even heating thanks to a dual-zone heating design. It auto-determines the thickness of the item being pressed, handling materials up to 1 inch thick, and automatically adjusts to the optimal pressure needed for a perfect press every time. The machine is also user-friendly, with digital controls and a clear display that makes operation straightforward. It's programmable with 4 fast modes and 2 custom-defined modes, catering to a range of pressing needs. The automatic mode is a standout feature. By simply clicking the auto button, the machine will press and release items on its own, making it ideal for batch processing in small business settings. Safety and compliance are also prioritized, with FCC certification and an auto-off feature. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press machine combines efficiency, ease of use, and advanced features, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to streamline their heat pressing tasks. The pros are that it's easy to set up and use, it heats up quickly, and the auto-open is a great feature to have. The cons are that the included pressing pad could use an upgrade. Number 2. VIVOR 6-in-1 Heat Press Machine. The VIVOR 6-in-1 Heat Press Machine offers great value as a versatile tool for a variety of heat pressing projects. This multifunctional machine stands out with its knob-style control, making it user-friendly and efficient. Its digital screen displays temperature and time, and it alerts you when the set time is reached. We also like that this machine has a 360-degree swing-away arm, which enhances its flexibility and safety during operation. The mica heating elements distribute heat more evenly and quickly than conventional heating tubes, leading to consistently well-pressed items. Changing between different heating plates, cup presses, and hat press accessories is easy and doesn't require any tools, which adds to the machine's convenience. Despite reaching working temperatures of 205 degrees Celsius, the surface temperature of the machine remains between 45 to 60 degrees Celsius, making it safer to the touch. Additionally, the machine has an auto shutdown feature that activates after 30 minutes. The pros of this heat press are that it's an excellent value, easy to use, and works great overall. The cons are that there is some initial setup time. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. VEVOR Heat Press Machine 8-in-1 Combo. We love the VEVOR 8-in-1 Combo machine because it's a standout option for its versatility and effectiveness. This machine features a large 15 by 15 inch heat plate coated with a Teflon non-stick surface that works great for transferring designs onto a wide range of items, including hats, t-shirts, mugs, plates, and even aluminum pots. The machine has simple controls and a clear digital display for accurate temperature monitoring. Its 360-degree rotation and guide rail design gives safe and easy movement of the heating element, simplifying the process of changing plates and presses. Additionally, it maintains a low surface temperature for safety, and the 30-minute auto-off feature enhances energy efficiency and safety. It's easy to use overall, and switching between its 8 modes is straightforward. One of our favorite design features is its double tube heating, which is a significant improvement over traditional single tube heating systems. We like that this design provides even heat distribution and consistent temperature, which is crucial for high-quality heat pressing. Generally, the VEVOR Heat Press Machine 8-in-1 Combo is a high-quality, versatile choice for both beginners and experienced users. The pros are that it's easy to use, versatile, and puts out consistent, excellent results. One con is that while it's easy to use, the instructions aren't as in-depth as you might hope. The best heat press machines will enhance design and functionality, giving you improved printing quality and efficiency for a variety of uses. Do you still need a little more help deciding on the best heat press machine for your needs? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know